Art actually was a part of my life since childhood because my grandparents, quite exposed to all these creative things. And I was born in the Soviet times, and at that time there were no computers, there were no video games. My name is Ardak. I'm creative director of Zen Art Supplies and co-founder of this company. Originally, I'm from Kazakhstan. My father was a poet, inventor, and he was a geologist. Later, he worked as an engineer, so he was making everything himself. Whatever he needed, he was repairing things. So my mom was quite talented in cooking, making things, making clothing. Since childhood, I really wanted to be an artist because all these creative things, they were coming quite naturally to me. Our company is called Zen Art, and because art for me, it's a form of meditation. It's a form of being with your soul, just like switch off all this clutter in your mind, let it go, all these problems and any kind of negative or stress.
The feedback we get from our audience, it's incredible. Starting from the professional artists that obviously they are very demanding. And we have some of those artists that they are astonished by the quality that we supply at the price that we offer. Take care of the supply chain, and Ardak is very picky on the quality of our products, and she takes care of the design. So we make sure that quality products reach the market at reasonable price.
For me, it's quite important, and whenever I don't paint, I really feel so miserable. So I really try to paint even to feel better, and art, it really helped me to go through lots of stresses and lots of challenges in my life. It's always a place where I just come back and it's like home for me. At the very beginning of any painting, I also write a poem or a little kind of wish. So because for me, my art, it's a good wish to someone who is looking at it. I wish to bring some good to our lives. Once you understand why you're creating it, what is the message, it just like comes naturally. And the same positive energy that I put in my artwork, I always try to bring to our products, because this is through the designing the products and through the experience that you'll get by using Zen Art Supply products. My husband Roberto helped me a lot to build the business around my passion, my interests, because he could see that I have lots of good creative ideas, but of course I needed some support on the business side as well. It's also one of the biggest ideas behind our art supplies, to have less but higher quality to use for longer time, and to have non-toxic products that are recyclable and reusable. One of our slogans is to inspire artists and everyone, because as children everybody like to do something creative. I hope that you see it as well in the products and in my art.